not adjust your television. The colors you are seeing are correct. Stare at the black dot in the center of this image. For the next few seconds, this dot is your whole world. Stare directly at the dot and don't look away. We promise you're about to see something you might find incredible. The image is about to change, but keep your eyes firmly on the dot no matter what. Ready? Do you see color? And if you move your eyes, does the image suddenly appear black and white? That's because this image is black and white. All the colors you just saw were added by your brain. Want to know what's going on? Remember how we asked you to look at this weirdly colored image? When it changed to black and white, did you see normal colors for a few surprising seconds? Before you think something crazy is going on with your eyes, let's see what happens when we show some people a similar image at a place full of funky, unique colors. Crayola experience.
What I need you to do is stare at the screen. There's going to be a dot in the middle of the screen, and you're going to keep your eyes on that dot.
Before we hear from our volunteers, let's give you a chance to play along. Just like before, stare at the dot in the center of this image. Are you staring at the dot? Here's a tip to make the colors appear for longer. When the image changes to black and white, make sure your eyes remain focused on the dot. Ready? Here we go. Do you see this castle in full color? Now, if you move your eyes, you'll see it's actually just a black and white image. Pretty wild, huh? Let's see if our volunteers experienced what you just did.
Keep your eyes on the dot.
I just saw color.
Everything was colored, the trees were green, and everything looked that way.
What if I was to say that the colors were put there by your brain? That they were never on the screen?
I wouldn't believe you.
What if I was to promise?
You can promise all you want. I know what I saw.
That's crazy.
Are you as surprised as they are? Our volunteer Paul says it best.
If you're telling me I didn't see color, then where is it coming from?
That's a good question. How is your brain painting this black and white picture in full color when there isn't any color at all? We've asked Yale psychologist Brian Scholl the same question.
We have millions of photoreceptors in our eyes that help us to see color. Now, when you stare at the same color for a long time, the cells that are responsible for that color, they get tired and they don't respond as strongly.
When you stare at this image, some of your photoreceptors, like the ones that handle reddish-orange, get tired.
Then when the image flips back to black and white, those tired cells can't pull their weight, and it's the cells for the complementary colors that are more active.
Orange and blue are complementary colors. So when the orange tones go away, your brain adds blue to this black and white image.
The result is that we experience a vivid sensation of color, even when in this case, the color's not really there.